Iba?
Wala.
Wala, parang ganun din eh. Ganun din ang lason. Hindi, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Pag uminom ka ng lason right now, but I bet you after 2 to 3 minutes, ayan na. Bubula na yung bibig mo. Mangingisay ka na. Guys, it's like this. Pag uminom ka ng lason, wala kang nararamdaman. But down to your cellular level, something bad is already happening. Am I clear? Yes. Ganon din sa supplement. Pag uminom ka, after a few hours, wala ka rin mararamdaman. Sabi nila, pag ininom ko to, lalakas ako. Sabi nila, pag ininom ko to, maganda performance ko mamayang gabi. Ba't wala naman akong nararamdaman ngayon? Totoo. Pag uminom ka ngayon, wala ka kaagad mararamdaman. But I guarantee you, down to your cellular level, something good is happening. Am I clear? Yes. Or to prove to you my point, again, the same position. Ayan, ganun ma'am, tusok. Ayan, tusok. O, ang goal natin, as high as this. Okay? Sabay-sabay. With all of your full effort. Ma'am, full effort. All of your energy as high as this, and then hindi yung bababa. Huwag yung ibabagsak si Darv. Ang gagawin natin, bibilang kami ng up to 10. Huwag nyo muna ibababa. Are you guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, buhat! Bilang! 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question. Meron po ba kayong asawa? May asawa? Asawa? Yung mga asawa, lagot kayo mamaya. Thank you very much, ma'am. Please take your seat. Dar, thank you very much. So may kita nyo kanina, medyo hirap. Doon nabuhat hanggang dito nanginginig. Ito up to 10. That's the power of the product. If we can bring this product all over the world, guys, if we can distribute this product all over the world, we can create so many multi-millionaires around the world. Guys, kung yung alak nga eh, kung yung beer, yung alak, yung sigarilyo, nakaspread all over the world, maraming yumaman. Yung alak po ba't sigarilyo, nakakabuti, nakakasama sa katawan? What more a product? A product like this na nakakabuti sa ating katawan. So, handa ka na ba maging milyonaryo? Yes! I'd like to call my partner. This partner of mine has been in this industry for the past 20 years. 20 years ago, nagbibilog-bilog na to. 20 years ago, nagtuturo na to sa tao para kung paano maging milyonaryo sa ganitong uri ng negosyo. Guys, help me welcome the mentors of all mentor in the Philippines. Lahat ng yumaman sa network marketing companies sa Pilipinas nagdaan sa kamay ng aking kapartner. Help me welcome Mr. Francis Miguel!
Thank you, Doc. Thank you. Itong stage naka-design talaga sa atin to. Kumusta ho? Ha? Morning. Okay, I'm the Chief Finance Officer, so I control the company's funding, so be good to me. 20 years ago, I was introduced to this kind of business, and I used to work with one of the biggest communications company. I'm an engineer by profession. I'm a system programmer. I used to. Ayoko nang banggitin yung company, pero PLDT. No? And I was amazed with the income that they are making. I mean, the people who started it, and here I am today. I'm doing the business full-time. I also own the company, so ayun. Pero to cut the long story short, ayoko na ikwento. Basta marami sa inyo pwedeng yumaman, sundan nyo lang yung system. Sabi mo, system. Kasi kailangan matapos ako, mayroon lang akong 5 oras eh. Oh, this is how the business works. The products are creating tremendous results. We have a best marketing plan, the hybrid one. And of course, number 3, the main factor why the business can become successful, simply lang, meron tayo tinatawag na business system. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, business system.
Business system.
Kasi ladies and gentlemen, hindi tatagal ang company pag yung isa doon sa tatlo eh hindi maganda. For example, yung product, pag hindi effective. Katulad nyo na may mga engineers, may mga professions, syempre may hiya kayo mag-endorse. Tama? Nakaisang barko ka na, yung asthma mo hindi pa rin gumagaling. Di ba? Nakakahiya. So, pag sinabi mo sa kaibigan mo, oh, try mo to, mahusay sa arthritis. Tapos pag uwi mo, hinihilang mo yung paa mo. Parang, di ba? Parang hindi yata maganda. So, yung dalawa, okay na, product and marketing plan. Of course, yung buong sistema, papakita namin sa inyo. Once you join, you pay $999 for the whole package. This is how it works back home. May account, you know, this is the good thing about the chief finance, no? I can crack the password of any distributor in the whole wide world. Okay? The owner of this account is a she. She graduated as physical therapist pero nag-work siya sa bank. And then na-introduce siya 7 years ago sa AIM Global. And kung makikita niyo, huwag ko kayo malulula sa income niyo. May problema pa ho ito. Isang account nga lang ito eh. Okay? So, ang password niya, pwede nyo rin kopyahin. Ako na lang. Dot. Asan ang L dyan? Bakit ko rin Arabo? L-E-X-U-S dot. Login. The page
Remember
is
the password.
invalid. O, see? Ano sabihin, binago niya? I called the IT this morning and see, they changed the password immediately.
Sa'yo na lang.
LXLE. Ayusin yun, napapaya na ako.
Account mo na lang.
Wala kaming account. Ang isang account namin na-check ko, sa 42 million ang laman eh. So, hindi namin wini-withdraw. Sa tsura namin to, hindi namin kailangan ng pera. Game. May wifi ba? Of course, nag-resign na ako. Baka naman iniisip nyo pa na nagtatrabaho pa ako sa PLDT. Siyempre hindi na. I fired my boss 8 months later. The boss meeting tayo. What's up, Mr. Miguel? You're fired, ha? Sabay takbo. Kaya, huwag niyo muna gagawin niyo pag wala pa yung kita, ha? Anyway, ang sponsor ko on my first company was my father. Yeah, the only difference like you, 19 years ago, 6 lang kami. Yeah, yung 2, ako tsaka tatay ko. Yung 4, wala, hindi ko kilala. Kinain lang yung mamon, sinipsip yung sesto. Ayun, umihi, kunyari, tumakas, hindi na bumalik. Kaya ako tinapos yung seminar kasi pag uwi ko, tatay kong makikita ko ulit. So, siyempre, imbitahan ka na naman pag umuwi ka na maaga. Hindi ka naman natatantanan eh. Di ba? Marami sa inyo, pinulit ko ulit. Kaya kayo nakarating, right? Mas makulit tatay ko, 1 year and 6 months niya ako iniimbitahan. Siyempre, I had this pride. I'm an engineer by profession. I don't want to be involved in sales. Okay? Anyway, palakihin natin. Okay, the current total earnings that this woman made for the past 7 years, her name was Miley Nebdane. By the way, pag na-encode na kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng sariling website. Okay? Kahit galawin ng kahit sino yan at withdrawin, hindi pa rin niya makukuha ang pera. Diretso pa rin yan sa ATM, sa account ninyo. Eh, nabubuksan lang namin for viewing lang. So today, this lady made 9,000 pesos. Today. Ang total earnings niya, perpetual, magmula ng simula, is 42 million already. Isang account lang yan. Ngayon, agent-friendly yung website natin, okay? Kahit hindi yan